Kya ho raha hai everyone? My name is Bhavin Patel and today I would like to talk about on water pollution. As we all know that water is being polluted by different contaminant in all over the world. So let's see the more about water pollution on this assessment for presentation. As we all know that water gives life to everyone who lives in our ecosystem. Water consists 70% of our Earth's surface. It is the basic requirement for our survival. So we have to take care of our water resources, water bodies such as lakes, rivers, oceans, everything. Water is being polluted by different contaminants like solid, liquid or gaseous contaminants. Majority of water bodies are being contaminated by chemicals. We use water in our day-to-day lives, so we have to take care our water bodies and we do not pollute our water bodies. Water is polluted by different sources. One of the major source is city sewage wastewater, and other the major source is industrial waste. Water is polluted by indirect source like rain. If rain occurs, then rainwater goes into the soils and it can directly contaminate water bodies in soil. In the least developed and in the developing country, majority of industries is directly discharge their wastewater into the lakes, rivers and canals. Some of the industries of developed countries are also discharge their water into the lakes and rivers. There are some laws, act and rules of control of water pollution in every country. But uh, to create more wealth and to create more GDP, most majority of countries industries doesn't don't obey the rules. Water is polluted by different types like surface water pollution. In the surface water pollution, human activity is main cause of surface water pollution. Like we discharge directly our wastewater into the soil streams directly into the soil, which can cause groundwater pollution. Water is polluted by different types of chemical like heavy metals, organic and inorganic substance. In the microbial water pollution, some of the organisms which directly deplete the oxygen content in the water bodies, which is affected directly to the ecosystem and aquatic life. Some suspended particulate matter like total dissolved solid in water bodies which affect the drinking water. We human are only responsible for water pollution, like we use pesticide and fertilizer in our agricultural operation that can cause water pollution. Farm soils absorbs dangerous chemical from pesticides and fertilizers. Industrial activities, mining, uh, vehicular pollution, and the foundry industries are the major source of water pollution. Sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide are the main cause of water pollution because it creates acid rain. Untreated wastewater Landfill leakage and hazardous waste cause water pollution. Wastewater is analyzed by different method like uh, chemical oxygen demand, biochemical oxygen demand are the main parameters of wastewater to analyze the waste oxygen content from wastewater. Atomic absorption spectrophotometry used to detect heavy metal from the wastewater. Water pollution can cause dangerous effect on environment like acid rain. When acid rain occurs, fish mortality rate goes very high. It is dangerous to aquatic organisms. Heavy metals like zinc, cadmium are very dangerous for the aquatic life. Sewage water from municipal corporation and industrial wastewater have these types of dangerous heavy metals.